Active Track enables your phone to follow the subject and capture footage on the move. Run DJI Mimo and connect to the gimbal via Bluetooth. Tap the tracking box icon, then tap Smart Capture. DJI Mimo will automatically frame potential subjects. Tap a box to start tracking. To follow a different subject, tap the corresponding box on the screen. Press the trigger once. The gimbal will follow the prominent subject in the center of the frame. You can circle around the subject with the trigger facing towards the subject to film an arc shot, or follow the subject alongside to film a pan shot. You can also manually select the subject to follow. Drag on the screen to select a subject. Tracking begins once a green box appears. Gesture control is recommended when taking selfies. Tap the tracking box icon. Then tap Gesture Control. Turn on the switch, and tap Follow and Shoot. You can place the gimbal on a flat surface. Then show the palm or V gesture to the camera. DJI Mimo will automatically follow the subject and start shooting after the countdown. To stop shooting, show the palm or V gesture again. Select the clips you want to include. The app will automatically edit the clips into a video.